A day in my life as a vlogger here in Triple Union, Katigbian, Bohol. I am Lens Kenneth Suhay Baguio. So, Triple Union is the one of the original 17 barangays created when Katigbian became an independent municipality on June 17, 1949. Triple Union refers to three early settlements or sitios that came together. The first sitio is Sitio Cambagon. It was named Sitio Cambagon because the land here is very fertile and rich in nutrients, and plants grow abundantly, especially a type of vegetable called bagon. This is also where the people here get their livelihood. The second sitio is the Bahaan. It is called Bahaan because this area has abundance of water, not just ordinary water, but clean water. This is also one of the places that tourists visit to watch the beautiful flow of the water and to state what they say is the sweetest water coming from the mountains. Tourists are amazed by how clean and fresh the water is. On the top, the people here get their water supply for their daily needs from this place, and there is rarely runs dry from even in different seasons. That is why the water source here is important, which is why the place is called Bahaan. The last sitio is Kabaksanan. Yes, Kabaksanan. It may sound flattering at first, but it also one of the places tourists love to visit for taking photos. The name may sound scary, but once you see it, it feels refreshing to the heart. It also peaceful, charming. The air around is so clean, and all your worries fade away because of how beautiful the place. So we invite you all, come and visit our beloved barangay. Once again, this is Lens Kenneth Suhay Baguio. Daghang salamat, mahal kong